It's a controversial billboard with a message for parents, but a lot of people do not agree.
While one group is telling parents not to vaccinate their children, others say it is necessary. New at 10 o'clock, 41 Action News reporter Ariel Rothfield has both sides of this debate that could be seen above KC Street. Ariel.
Mike, that debate has been heating up, even leading to vandalism. So we decided to look at the billboard's effect in our school districts to learn how many students are not getting vaccinated. Up and down Blue Parkway, something is missing. A message on a billboard like this, warning parents of vaccines, gone.
We had supporters in the area who have been emailing me to get a board up.
The billboard belonged to Learn the Risk, an anti-vaccine organization based out of California. One of 6 in the country, someone vandalized the billboard, forcing it to come down.
It is sparking a conversation, and no matter how you feel about vaccines, it's an important conversation to have.
But it's a conversation Dr. Stephen Lauer disagrees with.
Because the vaccines work.
He and the CDC say the risks of serious complications from these shots are far lower than the risk of diseases they prevent, calling this billboard dangerous.
It really can be dangerous and is counterproductive to the health of children in our city and around the country.
We looked at the number of students who have vaccine exemptions from some of the major school districts in the metro: Kansas City Public Schools, Independence, Shawnee Mission, and Blue Valley. We found there are more exemptions this school year than last year, meaning more students are not getting their shots.
Once you start to see those rates dip, the prediction is, and it comes true every time, that you will start to see those diseases come up again.
Last year, Johnson County experienced a measles outbreak of more than 15 cases, including baby Lyric, who at the time was too young to get her vaccines.
It's just the easiest, most effective, safest way we have of protecting children and adults from a huge variety of what used to be devastating diseases.
Learn the Risk group says the vandalism will not stop them. They now want to put up 5 more billboards. To see a breakdown of the vaccine exemption numbers in our local school districts, visit our website, kshb.com. Of course, we will be updating that site as we get more data. In the newsroom, Ariel Rothfield, 41 Action News.
Okay.